Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding the right code segment is easy if you track the index. Let's break down these Java loops to see which match the original sum. The original code adds the index I to the sum whenever an element is less than 10. Segment 1 fails because it adds the actual value x instead of the index. Segment 2 uses an enhanced for loop but manually tracks the index with variable j. This correctly adds the index to the sum when the condition is met, matching our goal. Segment 3 tracks index j correctly while checking array values. Since both 2 and 3 work, option D is our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given information and check steps carefully.